In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 per day from Quora by answering simple questions. So, welcome guys. In this video, I will tell you how you can do it effectively with the latest strategy which I discovered recently, and let's get started. So, Quora is a question and answers website, and it's a really effective website where people ask questions and many other people answers them. So how you can benefit from Quora and drive traffic to your blog or your YouTube or sell products effectively. So for that I will show you my profile first. I've currently answered nearly 85 answers and have over 150 to 200 visitors to my website where I was promoting my product. So for that you need to answer, like, I'm in the earn money online niche, so I answer questions based on that, and I don't try to spam to people. I try to give them value. I try to really make sense. Like, I just don't paste the link and hope them they will click. They don't click spammy links. They only click for the links which when you provide value to them. So the question was, what is the best way to earn money online? And so I write a long answer about it, explain every single step about it in detail, and in the end I uh, posted my links to my website, to my other answers, to be able to generate trust with other people, and that way they will visit to your website and you will earn money from that. And if you gain enough trust of them, then they might buy your product as well. So this is how I do, and Quora is really effective. Like, I'll by just answering 85 answers, I have nearly 10,000 views. In this month I got nearly 9.3k 9.3k views, and that's really enormous compared to if you try to start your new blog in WordPress. Then I definitely think it's not going to worth it, because you won't be generating enough traffic from SEO, because there are tons and tons of blogs are being published every single day. So you have very little chance of standing out from your audience, from your competitors, and make your stuff visible to your audience. But when you leverage Quora, you only provide the value you know, and this way you can easily generate. I'll tell you my scenario. I only started this 1 month back, nearly 1.5 months, and I have generated over 10k views. And I don't think that you can generate it by some other websites or creating your blog on WordPress or Blogger. I don't think that is even possible. So you only have to, like, find your niche, create a good profile, and this profile really works for me, and answer genuinely, not just spam your link like other people do. This spam won't work. Genuinely answer those questions and you will generate traffic every single day, a lot of them. And you might be thinking that I have written 85 answers and it will take a lot of time. No, it don't. Then suppose this question is, what is the best way to earn money online in 2018? So I wrote this answer. And yeah, this question is also similar to the previous one. How can I make money online with no skills? It's just a bit, little bit different, but the overall game is the same. Um, yeah, here also I just copied this answer, did some adjustment, and published it. So you don't have to write each and every answer manually. Once you write one answer about a specific topic, you will find relevant questions, a lot of them. You will find a lot of relevant questions where you can just copy your answer and repost it. This way you don't have to like work super hard, and you can easily work like write one blog a day and publish your answer in 10-20 answers. And this is really effective strategy to make good amount of money. And you can even not just promote your product, you can promote your blog, you can promote your YouTube videos, you can even grow your Facebook group and Facebook page. This strategy really works. And here I will give you one more tip. I will uh, I will ask you to make many other Quora profiles. From that you will upvote these answers. Now, as I got 0 upvotes, but in my previous answers I upvoted my answers from other accounts. This way you will gain much more visibility, and when you have much more visibility, then you will have much more traffic in your website. So this way really converts. And if you want, you can drive traffic to your WordPress blog or to your Blogger blog, or you can drive traffic to your Medium blog. And one more thing, guys, if you are a newbie and want to start your career on blogging, I highly recommend you start with Quora and Medium, because if you start a new blog, it's really hard to get traffic from SEO. So I highly recommend that you start blogging on Quora, as this will increase your visibility, and you can go for Medium, you can even go for Steemit. This platform has good audience in it, and you can definitely publish your post, have a good ton of engagement in that, and by that you will generate more and more leads, more and more traffic, and you can generate emails. Yeah, so this strategy I highly recommend you that you use Quora, Medium, and if possible you can use Payment to generate traffic. If you are a newbie, or if you are an established blogger, you can generate traffic from Quora by publishing your old WordPress blogs here. You can even rather than writing an answer for a question, you can generate more blogs. I have only written one blog here, but if you really want to do that, if you really want to generate write blogs and start a blogging career, you can even write blogs, you can write answers, you can do anything. So Quora is highly uh, has really ton of engagement, and that will gain you much visibility than other websites. And so if you like this video, please like, subscribe my channel, and if you want a really step-by-step course on how to earn money online and build a business, build an online business, I highly recommend you check out my website. That will redirect to this website. And for starting, for learning, please click on the button begin the challenge, and you will be redirected to this page. And in here you learn step 1, step 2, step 3. In 3 simple steps you will learn how to build a real passive income in just 3 steps online. So highly recommend that you check this out, and it's from Liam James K. If you don't know him, please check his YouTube channel. He has nearly over 30,000 subscribers, and he's just a fantastic guy to be partnered with. So I highly recommend his website, and if you love it, do comment down below to have feedback. I will love having your feedback. Thank you, guys.